Good evening. My name is Kashida Bedford, and my partner for this exercise is Lindsay Small. So tonight we're going to take just a few minutes to walk you through the steps we use to locate case law on LexisNexis. Let's give it a go. So our attorney has asked us to locate case law in our jurisdiction of California regarding expert testimony from a police profiler and its applicable law. Now, under the search term in Lexis, we're going to choose U.S. cases. Then we're going to search by state. Now, we know our jurisdiction is California, so we're going to choose that option. Now, when we choose this option, it's going to take us to the search term box. And we can use that box to narrow our search. So under natural language, we're going to type the words sexual predator. These are the terms we're going to use to get our search started. Now, this search is going to yield quite a few results. If I remember correctly, we're going to get about 247 results, but that's fine because in the focus term box, we can actually narrow our search down. So when we type in the word profiling, we're going to get one result. Now, if you notice, this result is unpublished, but that's fine because we can search the document and actually find a published source that we can consider to be good case law. So when we look for our search terms, such as evidence, profile, witness, we're going to come across one case, and that's People versus Smith. Now, let's go ahead and select this case. Now, we automatically see this is from a higher authority, the Supreme Court of California. We're going to take a moment now and stroll through this document and look for our relevant search terms. Now, we're going to come down to section D. And when we get to section D, we're going to see those exact words. We're going to see profile evidence. So we know we're on the right track. Now let's stroll down to paragraph 15 and we'll see those same search terms repeated. So we know for a fact we have a good case on our hands. Now it's time to shepherdize. Please note we did shepherdize this case and we found it to be good case law, but because of the lag time we had to cut that portion out. Now let's go ahead and move over to locating the proper law. So we're going to cheat just a little bit and we're going to go ahead and go to Google since we know that, because we know exactly what we're looking for. So in the search box, we're going to type in California requirements for expert witnesses. And when that search pops up, we're going to see that it yields quite a few options. And when we look at those options, they're all going to kind of be the same. So we'll know exactly what to look for when we take those search terms and plug them into Lexis. So we're going to go California, it's our jurisdiction. Then we're going to look for the California Code Annotated because that's what we saw in Google. So we're going to go down to Evidence Code. Now, when we click Evidence Code, we could go to Witness, but let's narrow our search by using natural language in our search term box. So we're going to type in expert witness requirements, and it gives us 250 results. Now, if we go back up to our focus term box and type in the word qualifications, it's going to greatly reduce our search down to 38 sites. Now, when we take a look at these sites, we'll quickly see we're on the right track. We found our search term, and everything we're looking at now is relevant. So let's take a look at the actual statute and verify that we have the proper information in front of us. Everything seems to be in order. Now we can go ahead and print this statute, print the case, and present those documents to our attorney. Thank you.